And when it rains, very slippery. No, we wanted for access to begin with. Because it was cut off. Kasha, here, the pressure we need to what it goes from.
Yeah, come on, you go.
Some feeling, then you top up with the man. No, when everything, this is about 7 days. Because Maram, first listen, Maram, we can hire the excavator. Then we get all things. If it is going through if it is going through normal procurement process, like how it is done, it is more than 7 weeks. That's why I'm putting a disclaimer.
One don't abnormal situation. Normality is correct. Formality. We are in a very serious abnormal situation. And he's talking about the normal procurement situation. We need to go back and harmonize.
Yeah, we should see. That's why
He's there to decide.
And
we military.
Yeah, we want to install one here. One line. So this water, you know, this is a swamp. When the water rises up everywhere, if there was a stream, water would direct one point. So from we are removing this from there. And there's another point after this. We're also going to see.
We can walk.
so what you said yesterday.
Still remain, that's why we say let's remove the carcass, bring them to the yard. We want to pick and bring them.
So now we are not going to stop in the next.
No, we
Just drive through.
yeah, let's drive
Because it's
through
the same principle. So go through them, go through. Yes. But when we cross the other road, you gave us a no. It's one of the roads that we worked in. It's financially or the other.
Which one?
Yes. You must have got to do a little bit. So can you so kitu zikele kama bino meditito
One bino. By that time, better. So we need a blue line.
So with the one we need one we can back.
Gamon yang chết thì chi chết thì ber kutia ber mi watu simu
How can one fit the country?
It is the same thing. It is a road safe fund.
Oh, sorry. It's okay.
The same.
And the KFW is only the bank funding. The project is for road safe.
And engineer. You check with you. Check him out.
On Monday.
Check him out. Check you.
Monday we are here.
It's okay.
Fast.
Lido.
And one to go call Rootsec. Rootsec go letting us down.
I want my job. Catch you. That's the way. Yeah, one call you the way you can.
You know about a month. I do you. There a lot. You know that way I lot.
I know. I'm on the chairman. I come. I'm going to take care of you. I told you one of the ones.
And that was how to puzzle. That was the no, the project we just connect markets and then you want to the purpose was about young and worker the left hand. You come from the left hand, then the right and then you come and so I enjoy out to bed, you ball on you. Then you work. Bon.
So for your husband, it comes and even fill up. This road is under roots, but you know we have been complaining about this road. It's not up to us.
We are identified them for them the market and that's one of the area to market and this was one. So you are doing for what
we are going to do, let's do the first one and on issue of roots, we have to write
and that's why we are here.
When you want by Lego, talk.
Okay, we go. Mando pelare.
That's pretty good.
You suspended here. I don't know where to go. You cannot pass here.
Mando district.
And I really suspended.
One district was committee.
Why shame the left? Can you take a power and kill? Huh? Mene? Anh ăn kiểu anh ăn ngon mới pin vậy nó. Atel.
You write for us the terminology we are going to defend.
You are safe.
You just fight the damages.
Actually, Carl
What a PS.
and
I want
Agnes,
to know the contractor, the contact.
we know it.
We are going
Agnes,
to summon him before the PS.
Agnes, they came here many times and asking us to sign these papers for them to be paid. I told engineer, when you sign the papers for this bridge or for this road, you should not go back to office because the office will be locked. Because we have made a very big mistake. And up to now, I want to thank him. He has not signed and no more money has been used. If they pay from Kampala, it is paid against our will.
The issue is, my if recently they came.
They came here.
They got me in I went for a catholic visit in the chairman's office and cow's office.
What advice?
Yes.
What should be done?
Yeah, should what they call river training. Yeah, we normally call it river training on this side. Then that side we open the
And there's no protection at the site. No set. No, you come and see. It is an hole inside. Yeah. There's a hole inside because this place was empty.
Engineer, who was our engineer on site when they were filling this? Is it
No,
empty?
I never came.
They did.
I called Engineer Okanya in his office. I was informed by him that
Okanya
the people
said he did not send
Where is
anybody.
Sarah?
Okanya said he did not send anybody.
Engineer, that time is another culvert. I'm going to call the PM. So I did come on the contractor before the PM.
The hole was there. They are not seeing the hole.
You give your... You don't go to someone properly. Put it black and white.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.